Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, working through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or optional to add a toe touch. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you reach opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Moving into a side bend variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Transitioning into a lateral stretch variation. Inhale at the top. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.